hundreds if not thousands of the skincare products available on the market today. And the bad news is that these skincare products are packed with harsh chemicals that can potentially do more harm than good. But the good news is that there is a natural way on how you can heal and treat, pamper your skin care in a natural way to give you a soft, radiant, natural glow look. So today I'm going to be taking you through on how you can use the few household items in your kitchen to give you a soft, radiant and beautiful smooth skin. So welcome to my channel. My name is Sharifa. If you're new here, please kindly do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notification. And mainly, if you love this video, don't hesitate to give it a very big thumbs up. Why not? But the main thing is don't forget to click or hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel so that you don't miss out anything about skincare, beauty and workouts. So let's get into the purpose of this video. You're welcome. So our first ingredient today, we are going to be using turmeric as our main component. Turmeric is an amazing ingredient when it comes to beauty purposes. It's bright yellow in color and it is excellent skincare product to always use as a face pack at home. It will help you brighten your skin and it is always easy to use at home because there are other ingredients that you can always mix with it. So since it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, these will help you fight acne, treat pimples and also wrinkles. In India and Southeast Asia, Middle Eastern women use it as a skin brightener, and that's why our first face pack that we are going to do is about brightening, and we need turmeric as our main component. It is good at treating breakouts. It is good at going to take 1 tablespoon of your turmeric powder because this will help us reduce the excess oils. We will need to use raw honey. Honey will also help us moisturize our skin since it contains antiseptic and antibacterial properties that will help kill acne causing bacteria. It also helps to lighten the skin if you never knew that it has lightening agents in it. It is also good at soothing inflamed acne. I think I'll do a video about inflamed acne and flamed acne maybe, inshallah. And it will also help you reduce the visibility of blemishes, dark spots, wrinkles and even out skin discoloration. So honey is a great component to use for reducing pores and blackheads since it will act as our moisturizer. It will leave your skin with a natural glow. So what we are going to do, we are just going to add in like 1 full spoon of your raw honey into our ingredient. Ingredient that we are going to add in our turmeric and honey is the lemon. Why I love lemon? Because it is rich in vitamin C and it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agents in it which help us treat acne, skin blemishes, and it is always good for people with an oily skin because it's good at reducing the excess oils on your skin. So we are going to be using lemon to help us reduce the amount of sunburn produced by your face, and at the same time it will help you tighten your pores. Yes, lemon works wonders if you never knew. It has nutrients such as vitamin C which help to boost collagen production and it promotes your skin elasticity. Since it has citric acid which helps to treat acne and pimples, it shrinks and tightens pores, brightens dull skin, and helps you reduce the visibility of dark spots, acne scars, blemishes, and wrinkles, and even out skin discoloration. It slows down the appearance of fine lines and tightens wrinkles, speeds up the production of new cells, lightens skin tone. Wow, lemon has a lot of benefits. I think I can talk the whole day. But as you saw, we started with 1 teaspoon of turmeric. We added 1 teaspoon of our raw honey. Now we've been adding in like 3 teaspoons of our lemon juice, and we are going to mix the 3 ingredients very well until we make a smooth paste in a scrub format. So that's why it is not supposed to be too light, so it has to be somehow thick, because we need to scrub our face and remove all the sunburns, the suntans from our skin. So this is great. If you want to brighten your skin, you can do this 2 to 3 times in a week, and when you're applying it onto your face, please massage for like 1 minute, then leave it to sit or rest for 20 minutes, and then you wash it off with lukewarm water, and also use cold water to close your pores. So this face pack is best for skin brightening. So this is how you massage your face, and make sure going to be looking at the face of glowing your skin using turmeric and other ingredients. Turmeric may be used as a brightener, but at the same time, if you want a glowy skin, you will need to use turmeric in your ingredients. So turmeric may be used as a brightener, but its main ingredient is to suppress excess melanin production caused by sunlight. This is why dark-skinned women also love using turmeric. And we are also going to use milk. Milk contains lactic acid, which works to reduce skin pigmentation. And the great news, you can use any milk, cow milk, goat milk, for lightening. It will help you also clean your skin and also reduce dryness. Milk has a creamy texture and it is gentle. Acidity leads to a smooth and soft skin. You can also use yogurt or sour cream, but if you don't have yogurt, you can always use milk. Yes, so you get your 1 teaspoon of turmeric, then you add in 2 teaspoons of your milk. Then we are also going to use avocado in our face pack. Avocado, it has vitamins which help to repair your skin and also remove the dead skin cells and unclogged pores. We adding avocado in our face pack. Avocado, it will help to deep clean our skin. It is good at leaving your skin hydrated, and it also nourishes your skin because it has some oil in it. If you never knew that avocado can even make you grow fat, yes, it can make you grow fat. But the reason why we are using it here, it will help us reduce dryness and flaking skin. Like simanyi oba skin oba ebeetya like wali like a skin ngekutuse like a remove line that's what I'm trying to mean. Yeah, but it is great at moisturizing and reducing inflammation and also healing acne, fighting bacteria related to acne and pimples. At the end of the day, it will leave your skin healthy and transformed. So that's the reason why I'm adding in avocado in our face pack today. So today I just wanted to give you ways on how you can use turmeric and heal different skin types. So we are just going to add in like 1 teaspoon of our avocado, then mix this ingredient very well. Mix until you make a smooth clear paste. Then when you're going to apply, first make sure that you wash your face. Never apply any face pack on a dirty face. Remove your makeup, so wash your face, apply this face pack onto a clean face, massage for 1 minute, and then leave it to rest or sit for 20 to 25 minutes until it dries up. Then you wash it off with cold water, and then don't forget to always moisturize your skin with any moisturizer. You can use your cream, or you can use aloe vera gel. First pack that we are going to make is for removing hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation, it is caused by you being under the sun a lot. I gave you the benefits of turmeric and also milk, and also we are going to use lemon juice. Yes, so this combination will help you remove or reduce the hyperpigmentation in skin because of the benefit, actually because of the strong properties in these three ingredients. So mix it very well until you make a smooth clear paste. Apply it on your skin, massage for 1 minute, then leave it to sit for 20 minutes. So our next face pack, we are going to use our leftover avocado to nourish our skin. We will need 1 teaspoon of our avocado, then we add in 1 teaspoon of our turmeric powder, and then also we add in like 1 teaspoon of our lemon juice. Then we are going to use aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, it is good at moisturizing because it has moisturizing properties and nourishing your skin. It contains vitamins. Aloe vera helps to treat your dry skin, reduces wrinkles. It helps to soothe skin irritation to those who have sensitive skins. It has calming effects to help you reduce the sunburns due to the anti-inflammatory effects of aloe vera. This will also help you treat your acne and pimples. So that's why I'm adding it into our nourishing face pack to help us moisturize our skin, at the same time leaving it with a natural glow. If you don't have aloe vera gel, in this face pack you'll need to use like honey. Yes, you will need to use like honey. So you mix the paste and apply it for 20 minutes, then you wash it off with warm water. Coming to our last face pack today. Hey, yes, we are going to be using a tomato. Tomato is rich in antioxidants which combats free radicals that cause premature aging. It helps to lighten skin blemishes and even out your skin tone. It will also promote your skin with a youthful look and leaves you with a radiant, glowing naturally. So what we need to do here is to grate our tomato. You can grate your tomato and sieve out or strain out the juice, or you can use all the tomato ingredients in it. So if you don't have a grater, you can use a blender to blend your tomato. Yeah, so the reason why we are adding it to this face pack, because we want to soothe sunburn. And never apply tomato if you have a sensitive skin. Always first take a test punch on your skin before you add it to your natural face pack. Yes, so we are going to add in 1 full spoon of your turmeric powder, and also we are going to be adding in like 1 or 2 teaspoons of our milk. Then you mix these ingredients very well until you make a smooth paste. Okay, so this face pack, I'm excited about it because I personally love using tomato in my face pack. So just mix, apply it onto your skin, massage your skin for 1 minute, then apply it and leave it for 20 good minutes, then you wash it off with cold water. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the process and you've learned something like 1 or 2. So learn to take care of your skin in a natural way. Until next time, in my next new video, please don't forget to hit the bell for notification and for my updates once I upload a new video. Until next time, have a blessed weekend. Bye bye.